Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. Today's meditation is on the practice of humility. I cannot raise myself to a position of greatness. Only others can. I may achieve greatness in their estimation by practicing humility. Shakespeare said, "Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and others have greatness thrust upon them." Geshe Langri Tampa says in 8 verses of Training the Mind, "Whenever I am with others, may I think of myself as the lowest of all, and from the very depths of my heart may I respectfully hold others as supreme." This practice is known as accepting defeat and offering the victory to others. Because of this, he was considered a great teacher throughout Tibet. If I think I am great, then I do not have sufficient humility. True nobility comes from great humility. No amount of greatness will bring humility. Conversely, practicing in humility will allow others to elevate us to greatness. I don't have to think less of myself to have humility. I need only think of myself less, meaning we should practice in putting others before ourselves, giving up the win and accepting defeat, which in the end will foster others to think more highly of us. This is the concept of practicing humility. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.